So, I bought this house a few months ago. It's a regular house, but I bought it in this stage, so I needed a lot of work to be done before I moved in, right? I needed plumbers, I needed people that lay tiles, I needed people that paint walls. Here's what I found. Of course, I started to Google, and this is what I found. This is your regular OLX ad, but for people that do constructions. It's not good, right? This is another thing that I found. And I kid you not, this is a presentation site for a company that does wood flooring. This is not something that I did in Paint or something. This is a presentation site. So, from this, I identified this problem. And from talking to people afterwards, some of my friends are in the same stage, so I identified these issues. There is no centralized list of contractors. So if you want to find someone to paint your wall, it's a pain in the ass, trust me. The online presence for contractors is really bad, as I showed you in the previous slide. There's a low trust in contractors. Everybody heard a story about some people that came and messed up his apartment. Even if they are recommended by friends, this is the usual case. It's not something that happens only once in a while. Also, Romanians don't hire project managers for their home improvement or constructions. In the Western world or in the United States, people usually hire this kind of professionals that handle this kind of things. So we don't do that because it's expensive, we're cheap. So, yeah, I'll talk from here. This is what we ended up with. This is what we are launching on the market. This is the new approach to this kind of things. This is a website. This is timber.ro, where you can find every contractor that you need for your home. You'll find for each type of contractors that we identify, there's need in the market. So you'll just pick your category, pick your area, and there you go. Yeah, so you can choose from there. You need someone that builds stairs, there you go, people that build stairs in Cluj. This is a presentation page. This is based on user reviews. As you see, people actually rate this kind of contractors for quality, reliability, and price. So you have live reviews, you have like real reviews for these people. So you'll get all this information from our website in a centralized place. We want to be the place to go for this kind of business. So we want to be the online presence for contractors that do business in Romania. Next. So this is what we ended up with today. We have the design, we have the back end fully functional, and we have partially done the front end. So we have an MVP that we can show. What's up? What's to be done for tomorrow? Please. We plan to go with this on the market with quality contractors listings. So this means that we will go to the people that have a bad online presence, contact them and build their web pages on our platform for free. We'll ask them for their portfolios and we will build that professional looking web page. Once we get to that, once we have a good list of contractors that we have on our platform, we'll go to the next step, go to the users, to the people that need those contractors. We're in the building trust business right now. We're going to the market with a premium choice. We have these people that we curated on our platform and market them to the usual users. Go to, I don't know, go to Baumax, go to Dedeman, spread flyers, do targeted advertising for this. The next stage would be to do project management. This is something we have in mind. Once we have all these people in our hand, we can do project management for people, so they don't have to do that. And just a quick thing that we plan for the future: when you're getting your iPhone 8 out of the pocket and ask for a plumber, this is what you'll get. This is you ask for a plumber in Cluj, this is what here you will find. A plumber from timber.ro. Thanks.
All right, 3 minutes for questions, and the next team to come here and set up their computer is Awesome First Aid.
Okay, how do you make money on this? And if it is in the system, your system, how do you keep people using the system after the first job, after they've gotten the first good contractor? Why did they rebook for another project through your system and not just go directly to them?
Yeah, so to answer your first question, we won't have any money coming in from day one. We're expecting that. We try to build that community, that network of professionals, and that will have a value in itself for aggregating that kind of people. Then we're tapping in the project management business, where I think there's money to be made. And we also have another idea of making partnerships with bank, because they offer crazy conditions for loans, construction-related loans. So that's a thing we can provide warranties, like we vouch for these people. And your second question, I forgot.
Keeping people on your system, using your system to go back and get the next person to do work.
Yeah. So we went for an approach where this is a closed system, and we enforce transactions to be made on our platform. We don't do that because Romanians will always bypass that system. They will always get to the contractor without using our platform. This is what Romanians do, right? There was Ocazii.ro a few years ago. It didn't succeed because OLX had another approach. They just allowed everything on their website. So we're just not going into that business because we feel that it doesn't fit Romanian market.
So the focus on revenue is going to be getting into the project management portion, which you said that Romanians don't do right now.
Yes.
So there's going to be a challenge there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Perhaps there are some other ways, not directly on each of the transactions, that you can make money. I don't know offhand, but I imagine with that kind of environment, people want to sell people stuff. There could be some sort of advertising you can do.
Yeah, definitely. Advertising is always available, right, on the website. So,
right.
But we need traction first. So we're going to focus on getting people into our platform. By people, I mean professionals.
What did you learn from homeowners this weekend?
Actually, this thing about getting quality contractors first was something that came up from our discussions. We discussed with a bunch of people, and what was surprising for us is that this is a big problem for females. You wouldn't expect that. Females don't know constructors. They always call their dad or their male friends for doing this kind of things. And they said things like, okay, I cannot find him, I don't trust him, I live alone, I need someone I can trust. So then we went for this approach where let's go first for quality, let's build trust. Thanks.